Lynn and Donna made the mistake of going right after Shannon Baker. And that's always going to compromise the amount of video and I can get of you, but they went nice and slow, so I should be able to get the last minute and a half or 2 minutes.
The mounds are really pretty.
So Shannon Baker, Valley Gallon Steel, coming home at 6:04, 34 seconds over. Took it easy on the back half of the course. Well, down to the lead front out of Adamstown for 4. Symansky goes to the mound and to the barnyard. He's also taking it easy just at the national school here. The World Championship riders. And it's probably one of the last runs in prior to heading up to the final outing, which will be in Bromont for next month up in Canada. So from that final outing, the final team will be selected. There's 16, Symansky now to 17, Alexandra through the water, Black, the boat out.
Lynn wanted me to say some entertaining, smart alecky stuff, but I can't say it because she's really, really famous and people from all over the world are going to be watching.
Taking it easy on a nice school here around the cross-country course. So you can see that the world president.
I can say I don't think this is the fastest cross-country round I've seen her go. I wonder if it's harder to make him ride slow.
Alexander Jack's there at 9. Off the D-log at 10. Maryland up into the woods at 3rd. The national 4-star champion from Kentucky this year, Southwest rider. That's the Land Rover Kentucky.
Safe. That's what we wanted.